at Microlink, we kind of capture, as somebody goes through the process, we capture about 600 fields of information through the natural case journey. And what it enables us to do is to compare pre-adjustment and post-adjustment metrics, so we can actually tangibly see the return on investment for that organization, the increase in productivity, the improvement in relationships, the improvement with line managers. And I think that that's really important for organizations to measure the success of disability provisioning within their organization.